In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TubeBuddy. But I have to tell you something first. Doesn't matter whether you are using a good SEO tool for YouTube, or doesn't matter you are paying $500 for a tool for 1 month. You have to make your video great, right? You have to give a good value to the people. So when you use TubeBuddy, right, you can find good keywords and you can rank your YouTube video. The thing is, if people are not watching that much long, I mean, if people are just bounce from your video, algorithm triggers that. Don't make any cheap quality videos. I mean, you don't have to buy like 2,000, 3,000 worth equipment. You can just make your video with your iPhone or Android, whatever you have, but give a great value. That's the thing, right? So if you are watching this video and if you are watching longer, that means I have given you a good value, right? So that's how it works. But if you are just going away from the video after 20 seconds or 1 minute, right, and the video is long, maybe 15 minutes long, and YouTube algorithm knows that those stuff algorithm can see, and then your video gonna go down. Doesn't matter whether you are using TubeBuddy. So with that big tip, I'll show you how to use TubeBuddy. Let's go to the screen. Okay, now I'm on my channel. So there's a video called how to rank new website on Google first page. So why I'm showing you this video? Because I did the keyword research with TubeBuddy to rank this video higher, and I knew it was a good opportunity because of TubeBuddy. I would like to give you a great tip. So when your channel has less subscribers and when your channel is really new, that means you don't have a big authority, right? So YouTube doesn't know you. YouTube doesn't know your channel, right? So when you are making new content, target long tail keywords. Okay, so this is the keyword I was targeting to rank that video. Okay, so how to rank new website on Google first page. When I click it, you can see my video at 3rd place, right? So this is the video I just showed you before on my channel. Sometimes it is 5th position, sometimes it is at the 4th position, but it is always at the top, right? But make sure, I mean, if you are making a garbage video, I mean, that doesn't work, right? Because YouTube algorithm triggers those stuff, right? So make your content great. And also, before you make any videos, open TubeBuddy and see what are your opportunities to rank that video on YouTube. Okay, so once you install TubeBuddy appears here. Okay, so it's a Chrome. I'm using now Chrome browser. It's a small Chrome extension. So click this one and then you can click it here or you can click it here. So launch Keyword Explorer now, and now I will show you that long tail keyword which I ranked. So when you type a keyword, TubeBuddy gives you it from YouTube, right? So how to rank new website on Google first page. I will click that. So there are 2 tabs, right? So this one actually it is related to your channel, right? So you can see I get not much views. Lowest video view count found in top ranking videos, right? I think that is me. That's funny. Yeah, that is actually me. he's talking about. So this one, so this is my channel, average views for last 5 videos. So because I'm starting my channel again, so I don't have a lot of views, right? So you can see the score above is specific to your channel, right? And the other tab is like overall. This keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. Click on the weighted tab above to see how your specific channel will likely perform for this keyword. If I remember right, when you are not paying for TubeBuddy, you can always use TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy free version, right? But the thing is, you can't see this tab. I mean, you cannot use this tab because it's a paid version, right? But this tab is so important because it is relevant to your channel, because what you are talking in your channel, let's say maybe you are talking something about gardening tips, and then if you are trying to rank something else which is not relevant to your channel, right? I mean, it's not that good. Okay, so you need to go here and you can see excellent, right? I get 82 from 100 points, right? And here is a search volume, good, and competition, it's coming here, and optimization strength is here, right? Because you can put your keyword in the title and in your description, and also you can put that keyword as a tag as well. And also, so when you put a long tail keywords, right, because it is really narrow, right? But if I put rank new website, let's say rank new website, and you can see there are even many suggestions. Okay, so I will click that and I will just tell you what's the difference. So you can see it is 9, right? Because the search volume is really big, right? It's almost here, right? So that means there are big authority channels targeting this keyword, right? And the other thing is, I forgot to show you, you can see what is ranking. Maybe my video is coming right somewhere else. Okay, my video is coming here too as a 16th search result on YouTube. So Neil Patel owns 4 videos of this from search result, and I owns 1 of 40 search results, right? And there are 8.85 million total search results, which is crazy, because internet marketing is my niche, so it is so competitive, like all the big players are there. Okay, and I will click on summary. So this is why I put only rank new website, because when you put when you put a main keyword like this, right, you can get video searches and web searches and video topics, right? So you can also click this and see what kind of score you can get, right? And then it tells you whether is it possible or whether is it a good idea to target that keyword. So let's say web searches. How long does it take for a new website to rank on Google? So this comes from Google, right? So you can see this keywords coming from Google search, right? Oops. Oh, what is that? That's funny. So here Neil Patel is also there, Href is there, right? So you can actually target those stuff as well. So I will click this. So it says good, unweighted. Okay, now you can see the difference, right? So it says excellent, right? Excellent, but according to my channel, it says good. So this tab says 87, and so this tab says 42, right? Because I don't get many views, I don't have a lot of subscribers, I don't have many watch hours right now, so at the moment, right? So this is why this tab is so important. Okay, but it is so easy to use this tool, right? So competition here, and even optimization strength is so much, but the thing is, you can see all the big websites, big YouTube channels are there, right? Chase Raina is there, really a good SEO guy, I know. So now you can see I don't have anything, right? I don't have any video in this search. So in this 40 search result, I don't have any video ranking for that topic, right? But it is little bit actually strange because this is a so long tail, a big long tail keyword. I mean really long, right? I mean there are words even 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yeah, a lot of. But the thing is, now YouTube is more smart. YouTube knows what it talks about, right? And here you can see the common video tags, so you can include this in your video as well. So how to rank on Google, how long does it take to rank in Google, right? Let's say this one, how long does it take to rank? So I can click that one. So still says poor, right? Wow, this search volume, you can see the search volume is a lot, right? When there are so many searches for 1 month, that means all the big authority people are going after that keyword, right? They have even targeted exact keywords, 1 2 3 4 5 6, wow, they are actually using. So you can see exact matches in top results, so 27. That's funny because everyone is targeting that keyword. I mean exact keyword, not, I mean, yeah. So but I don't think this option is it's not a bad option. I mean, come on, you can pay $4.50 for a 1 month, right? You can do many searches, right? But always remember, doesn't matter whether you are using TubeBuddy, whether you are using, I mean, any tool, right? You have to make your content great, right? You have to deliver a good value, right? And also the other big factor is the thumbnail, right? Thumbnail is a big role because that's first impression, right? So I will show you why I have, let's say, that keyword, how to rank new website on Google first page. So maybe when people see this keyword in this video, from this video, and they will target the same thing, so maybe I will lose my spot right there. So what I have done, I can give you another tip. So when you go down, right, from the top to bottom, my thumbnail, right, my thumbnail is coming up, right? It's actually pop-ups, right? Because they are using same kind of tone, right? But Href using another theme, another tone, and this guy using a black and background, and this guy also using black background. Neil Patel is using this color all the time, but I like blue anyway. But I have searched this before as well, so I wanted to know what kind of thumbnails of first search results. As so I checked that as well, so before, so and then I decided, okay, so I should make my color blue, and which takes more attention, right? So when people click my video, right, so when my click-through rate, so CTR is high, so YouTube see it, right? When YouTube see that, and then YouTube suggest to other users as well, right? But I have to keep people in my video a little bit longer. You know, there are so many factors, right? And there's a engagement rate and few of them, right? So like I said before, get TubeBuddy and do the keyword research first, right? And then make the content. Make sure your content is great. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learn how to use TubeBuddy, and if you are watching this long, I'm happy about it for sure, because most of people just watch 3 minutes and 4 minutes and they go somewhere else because YouTube show some more suggestions relevant to what you are watching, and then they click and they're going somewhere else. It's great if you are still watching. That means you are really into this. So like I said, make a great quality content, great video, right? And always give a good value. So that's the whole key to get more subscribers. I know you will say, hey, you don't have even 1,000 subscribers, but I did not publish in years, so I'm starting the channel again. I'm not gonna stop this time. So yeah, anyway, and do not forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you have a question, you can put a comment below. I will reply to all the questions as well. And yeah, so see you in the next video. Peace.